Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the channel. This kind of video is different. It's just me telling you what's next for the Subaru. So obviously on the title you already know, yes, we're going to be installing a new engine in this car. Nothing wrong with the engine I have right now. It's just I am looking for a little bit more power and kind of safer numbers, if you know what I'm saying. But basically we're gonna be replacing mostly everything, including the turbo. We're gonna be putting in a new engine block and then just keeping the heads the way they are. Just probably gonna clean them up and everything. For the power numbers, I know the engine is pretty overkill for the numbers I'm looking for, which is around 400 500 horsepower. So yeah, I'm trying to keep it relatively around there. So basically what we're doing is just like I said, there's nothing wrong with the engine right now. It's just leaking. It has a lot of oil from seals from the cams probably leaking, and if I'm gonna put everything new and their car already has like what 141,000 miles on it, might as well start fresh with the new block. And since I'm able to do it right now, might as well do it. I would definitely want to learn to do it myself, but obviously it's a totally different realm of learning how to do an engine build, and I don't got the time to or the patience right now to see what's going to see if I can do it for myself. But yeah, so I'm gonna take it to the shop. They're gonna do everything for me. They're putting the turbo, they're putting the new engine block, everything. The clutch is gonna stay the same because it only has a couple miles on it since I just recently put it in. But yeah, we're keeping everything stock, going with the stock turbo, stock location turbo, and keeping the front mount intercooler and the downpipe the way it is. Keeping the stock headers because, you know, Subi Rumble, got to keep that. So yeah, I really don't know if I want to switch the headers yet, but we'll just keep them as they are, stock. So also we're keeping the manifold stock, and that's pretty much it. So it's not going to be too much of an engine build where I want too much power, you know. All right guys, so for the engine build, yeah, we're gonna go with IAG 750 block, keeping the stock heads, getting everything new. So the oil cooler, everything, all the sprockets, some hoses, the engine harness, getting all that worked out. Oil pump, you know, we're getting an IAG oil pan kit, some ID 1050 injectors, a fuel pump. We got the Cobb stubble fuel pump regulator. We got some new water pump, spark plugs, and we're gonna go with BB 500 Grimspeed turbo. So that's pretty much stock location turbo. Probably the best one I can find. I know we would have almost went with an FP black or FP green or whatever, or FP blue, but I was reading into those, and you need to get TGV deletes in order for it to fit. I'm not sure how correct that is, but it's just what it says on their description, that you have to get TGV deletes. I'm pretty sure you could probably just find a way to fit it there, but yeah. Also we're gonna go with we're gonna get the stock manifold repainted. I'll show you guys why in a minute, because it is pretty messed up. It's probably from the Sibon hood, the little vent that's on the top, the big vent obviously, getting all the rocks in there and chipping away all the paint. So yeah, I got a solution for the hood on that too, so that'll probably arrive soon. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah, so we're thinking around 500 horsepower, hopefully keep it really nice. Like I said, the engine's good, this engine's good obviously. So yeah, that's pretty much it on the engine build. Yeah, so I'm excited. Hopefully we can shoot some good numbers. I'm not going flex fuel. Like I said, I just want to keep it as stock, as close to stock as possible. I know it's kind of overkill, and I know a lot of you guys in the comments are gonna be like, why not just go flex fuel? Why not go rotated setup? Why not do? Well, I mean, I already have everything that I need. I mean, I already have the front end intercooler by Grimspeed. I already have the downpipe by Grimspeed, and I have the intake by Grimspeed. And so yeah, why would I want to sell all that and then go rotate a setup? Maybe later down the road. We'll see. But for now, this is the way it's gonna look, and it's gonna look stock in its own way. And yeah, I honestly can't wait. This is happening. We're getting started. We're already ordering the parts. We already got some of the parts ordered. We're just trying to see what when to start. So we're just waiting on IAG to send a block. We already got the turbo. I don't know if you guys seen in my Instagram post. They already got the turbo shipped in, so that's pretty cool. So just waiting on the block, and then yeah, on the 29th, this car is gonna be going to them. And yeah, this should be starting on the build, and wish I can film everything for you guys and just kind of the journey of how it looks and what they're doing. Once I get the car back, I'll let you guys see how it looks and how it sounds, and I don't know, whatever. But first I gotta do the engine break-in, and then we're gonna tune it. I'm excited. It's gonna be a pretty different car, totally different car. Keeping the transmission stock. I know that transmission already has 141 too. Might get a brand new one later down the road. We'll see how long this one lasts. For now, it's fine. But yeah, stock location turbo, and then we got, oh yeah, and then all the fuel upgrades, because this car doesn't have any fuel upgrades right now. It's pretty much stock as it is. It just has a front mounted intercooler, downpipe, intake, and then it has the IAG oil separator. Not really a mod, just kind of a maintenance kind of thing, and then just a bunch of carbon fiber. But yeah, overall, it's gonna look sick. They're gonna get I'm excited because the manifold is gonna be recoated, because damn, that thing is pretty messed up. So I'm excited for that. Definitely want to see if I want to get another alternator, because that one's pretty nasty too, and just kind of want to make it look nice. But yeah, overall looks good. Pretty much that's all I gotta say, guys. So I'm excited for next month, and I'm excited to see how it all turns out. Hopefully, I'm wishing for the best. Right now we can't decide on the cams. We might do cam set. We don't know yet. Some valves and all that stuff, but we don't know yet. So I'm trying to think if it's worth going that far. So, but yeah, overall as it is right now, we're starting the engine build, and I'll keep you guys updated on the car and see where we go from there. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.